Hello students, today we are going to learn some Lewis dot structure of some of the compounds like ozone and carbonate. Here you can see I have formed three atoms of the oxygen which contains 6 electrons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This also contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This also contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How we will draw? First of all, we will make a double bond at one of the side. Now the second oxygen we will form only single electron. Now we will count whether the octet has been completed or not. Let us count for this oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This oxygen is complete. Now for this oxygen I will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. There are 9 electrons. That means 1 electron is wrong. 1 electron is extra. Therefore we will remove 1 electron from here. एक इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ से रिमूव करेंगे. Now we will count for this oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has 7. It lacks 1 electron. Therefore this electron will come here like this one. Now it has lose 1 electron, so it will become positive. It has gained 1 electron, it will become negative. So the correct will be like this one. These are known as formal charges. Now every oxygen has 8 electrons. Now let us take one other example of carbonate ion. The center atom is carbon. I will make carbon. Around it I will draw 3 electrons, 3 oxygen atoms, 1, 2, 3. Now I am going to draw valence electron of each atom. As we know, carbon has 4 valence electron. Each oxygen has 6 valence electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it. Again, we are going to draw double bond with any one of the oxygen, like this one, and another oxygen with single bond. You have to see there that 2 electrons are still we have, because it's 2 minus. That means I have also 2 electrons to put in this structure, which I will put later on. Now I will check whether their octet has been completed or not. For example, this oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. For this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. For this oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 electrons are here. We have to complete 8. Therefore we are going to take 1 electron from here and I will put here. Now it has 8 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Similarly for this oxygen, here have 7 electrons. So another electron I will use and I will put here anywhere like this one. Now it also has 8 electron. Because this oxygen has except 1 electron, it will be negative, and this will also be negative. Now what will be the correct structure? It will be like in this way. 0. These two will be negative because they have accepted 1 electron, and here we will form double bond. So octet has been completed. Thank you.